Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. So if you have clicked this video, this means you want to know how to upgrade your internal storage for this portable device. This thing comes in many forms, or better said, with different cards. It comes branded with different names. But in this video, just going to give you a quick tutorial how you need to upgrade it through another card and what are we going to need. So first of all, let's start. What are we going to need for upgrading it? Right, so the first thing we need to do is remove the SD card, and it's very simple. You can open this little hatch, and when you push it out. Already did it, but that's the only thing that we going to need to do. There is no other card. This is that contains all of the data or the games. So this is what we're going to need, and we are going to need the card reader. This thing comes in many different forms. I recommend you, if you have an USB 3.0, grab a USB 3.0 because it saves you a lot of time transferring data. And of course we're going to use a bigger card. This is going to be the 128 gigabytes SanDisk. Alright, and of course we're going to need a computer, laptop, or where you can transfer the files with. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to first make a backup, and then we are going to upgrade it to the other card. Alright, so I've powered on my PC, and the following thing I'm going to do is now putting in the original SD card into my card reader. Going to put it in my PC now. When you've done this, Windows in my case will recognize it like just in storage. So it's not like the weird stuff is going on with, for example, with Pandora boxes. It's just basically an SD card with some information, or in this case data on it. Keep in mind, be careful that you not format the drive itself, otherwise you will ruin your data. You're going to open it up, and this is what you're going to get. So far I know you can just ignore the lost.dir folder. The most important and the folder we are going to need is this one, the games folder. So what we're going to do, go back, press right click on the mouse, left click on copy. I recommend you never that you're going to, let's say, cut and paste or just grab the information from the SD, copy it to your desktop, again right mouse click and left click on paste. And alright, when the process is done, you will have a backup. So if anything will happen to one of the two or both SD cards, you always have a backup for your portable device. Okay, so this is going to take some time. I'm going to skip this video or this part and show you how you need to set up the other card. Alright, so it's done copying the original files to my hard drive. The next thing I'm going to do is pulling out the USB drive and swapping it to the 128 gigabyte SD card. Alright, let's put it back in. It will recognize the new storage. There is some data on it. Just going to show you here how you're going to format it. Pressing left mouse click to selecting it, right mouse click for getting the extra drop down menu, and again left mouse click on format. Right, you can see I have the 190 gigabytes. You need to put it on exFAT. You can make up a name if you want to. I recommend putting on Snell format. Alright, okay. That's been formatted and cleaned. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do is very simple. We're going to open it up. Twice, left mouse click. We're going back through the folder here. Right click on it. Left mouse click, copy it. Click once, left mouse click on the folder over here because this is the storage we want to put the files in. Right mouse click. And then we're going to put it over here by pressing left mouse click on paste. Alright, so it's copying the files. Again, skipping it because I'm not going to wait you this long. It will be a 30-minute video. Alright, so he's done copying, and that's the only thing that we need to do. So the next thing I'm going to do is pulling out my USB stick. And we're going to put it in the Pandora Games Mini Powkiddy, how you want to call it, Chinese device. Yeah. Alright, so it's the moment of truth. Does it work? Right, as you can see, there is no SD card inside. We're going to grab our 128GB version. We're going to put it in. It's always a little bit tricky. Thank God for dirty fingernails. Alright, let's power it on. The LED goes on. Pandora games, Mini. Your dream come true. Going to wait a long time. Loading takes some time forever on this thing. And use the inserts. And you dismount it. And ta-da! And we having now on 28GB of storage. If you want to check it for make for sure, hold the home button. Go into the setting menu. If you go to the enter game market. Right now I'm going to need to zoom in. Alright, and as you can see over here we're having a lot of storage space. So even if you want to go to the Naughty store, it's highly recommended just to upgrade it, your SD card, or you want to add some games. Right, so that concludes this video. If it's on how to upgrade your SD card. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell. And if you don't so, this means I will see you in the next video.